Hi Generals, it's Miss Leva. We are now approaching our final project in Adobe Illustrator. Yay, we've made it! Okay, so this project is called MyYearbookSpread. So that tells you that you'll turn it in as your name _ MyYearbookSpread. The first thing that you're going to want to do is set up your artboard. So we're using 2 artboards, and they are 8.5 by 11 inches. I have both of my artboards set right here, and I also have the background of my yearbook spread. It'll be the same background that you're using. Make sure you set it up perfectly on your 2 artboards, and then you're going to go over to layers, and you're going to make sure that that layer is locked. You'll go ahead and add a new layer to begin your work. This is a quick tutorial. I'm just going to show you how to use the clipping mask. So once you have this set up and you're ready to go, then you're going to go to Place. Remember, Place is how we import images in Adobe Illustrator. And then you're going to travel to your Ike's Big Day photo folder. Let me see where mine is. Pictures, November, Ike's Big Day. Okay, remember, you will have to write quotes for each picture that you put on your spread, so you need to pick pictures that will be easy for you to do. I'm going to go ahead and pick this one, and I am going to place it right here. Whoa, this picture is really big, probably because we took it with the DSLR camera. I'm going to hold down Shift to resize this picture. When you hold down Shift, it keeps the parameters so that it doesn't get all pixelated and ruin the picture. So as you can see, it's still a beautiful picture. But yeah, you know what would be better for this project? If you went into Photoshop and batch resized the images before you started, it would make your life a lot easier with resizing. You can review the video to do that. So I'm going to place this picture right here. So what I want to do is I'm going to make a square, a rectangle right here. You don't need a fill, but it's fine. I'm going to put the stroke at a 3. The color of the stroke, I would like to use the eyedropper tool. So cancel out of that eyedropper tool. Maybe pick this color right here. And then to switch the stroke, just do this. Let's put the stroke up to about a 4, 5. Okay, now I want the selection tool. I want this picture to be here. So I am going to make it bigger. Okay, now see how my picture overlaps the square, and I want to use a clipping mask to put it in the square. So how I do that is I hold down Shift to select both the square rectangle shape and the photo. Now both of them are selected. I go to Object, and then I go to Clipping Mask, and I go to Make. And you can see the shortcut is Control-7. It clipped it into there, but see, it's not perfect, so you will need to adjust it. You will need to cover that, and you can add a stroke to the picture. The stroke is black. If you want it to match, which is one of the requirements, then you will just pick the eyedropper tool, select the color. You can switch these. It's time for school, and at the back. You will be making your first yearbook spread, and this might get you interested in the yearbook class for next year, 7th graders. I can't wait to see what you make. Remember, you do need quotes, and you can get creative. You can change the colors as long as the colors match. Think of color theory. Maybe you want to do a monochromatic color scheme. Maybe you want to do complementary colors. Also, I would group pictures that are similar. You want just to make your yearbook page look great. Good luck on this final Illustrator project. Thank you, Generals.